Michael eagerly awaited the first Saturday of each April. Ever since he was a child, he looked forward to World Table Tennis Day, a day to celebrate one of his biggest passions. Table tennis has been Michael's lifelong hobby. He fondly remembers spending hours in his garage honing his skill as a teen. The sport originated in England in the 1880s as an after-dinner amusement for upper-class Victorians. It gained popularity and spread to Indian and other British colonies. By the 1900s, the game had made its way around the world. In 1926, the International Table Tennis Federation was formed to standardize rules and organize competitions. The first World Table Tennis Championships were held the same year. The sport debuted as an Olympic sport in 1988, confirming its status as a respected competitive game. For Michael, table tennis is more than just a sport. It is an outlet for his competitive drive and also a source of adventure and thrill. He has participated in local table tennis clubs and competitions, allowing him to challenge players of different skill levels. The strategic and engaging nature of the game exercises both his mind and body. On World Table Tennis Day, Michael usually attends events at his local table tennis club to celebrate. This year, there is an exhibition match featuring top players in his city. Michael cheers loudly with the crowd, in awe of the players' speed, agility, and power. At the open house, Michael invites friends and co-workers to give table tennis a try. Some are naturals at sports, while others struggle to return the ball over the net. But everyone has fun with lots of laughs shared between rallies. Michael is heartened to see many young kids attending with their parents. He hopes the next generation will pick up the sport and represent his country in the Olympics someday. The social aspect of the events also allows Michael to connect with fellow enthusiasts and make new friends with similar interests. World Table Tennis Day highlights the joy that such a seemingly simple sport can bring to people of all ages and backgrounds. For Michael, every April 6 is a reminder of the uplifting power of passion and community. The memories from each celebration stay with him until the next year rolls around. Table tennis isn't just a pastime, but a lifelong companion. April 6 is World Table Tennis Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Table Tennis Day. Cheers!